Because of the great work of the firefighters that were on scene, we have only a minimal number of homes destroyed. This fire is not contained, and we remain under an immediate threat because of the red flag conditions. Well, I certainly think that global warming is impacting wildfire throughout the United States, and it's making it even more challenging for fire departments to respond to wildfire. It's undeniable, from my perspective, that global warming is causing more challenges for us. We'd really like to button this fire up and get some containment by this afternoon. I believe that the winds are going to be continuing, so that's going to still create challenges for the fire department and for the LA County Sheriff's Department with evacuations. But rest assured, we are going to have a coordinated air and ground assault on this fire for as long as it takes.
I cannot tell you how much we appreciate when a deputy or another official comes to your door, or you get a notification that there is a warning or specifically an order you need to evacuate. It saves lives, and it actually impacts the lives of our first responders, because if they have to come in to save a life, they're putting their own lives at risk, which we're willing to do. But please, the residents are doing an amazing job thus far, and I just want to say thank you to all of them. Our deputies are going to be here, very visible, and don't worry about your homes. Somebody breaking in and taking something. I know that's a lot to ask for, but we have professionals on our department, and we're not going to allow that to happen. And just a message for anyone who's thinking about coming to this neighborhood to do something like that: you're going to get arrested, you're going to get caught, you're going to get arrested, you're going to get prosecuted. Don't do it.